Hey guys, welcome back to season 2 of the productivity tips and tricks for Office 365. We are staying with OneNote and we're in our third and final video for OneNote. And today we're going to be looking at sharing your notebooks, how to get other people to work on notebooks with you at the same time and make use of the collaboration features that come with Office 365. We're then going to be looking at how to convert your drawings or your writings into text. So OneNote has some great functionality where it can take your handwriting and convert it into text. So let's go and take a look at that wonderful technology and let's talk you through it.
So one of the really cool features of OneNote is the ability for you to use a tablet or a computer with a touch screen or even your mobile phone to take notes. So in a meeting, you could be writing on your pad just as you would on a notepad. And with OneNote, you can then convert that handwriting into text. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I don't have a touch screen with me, unfortunately, so I'll be using my mouse, but you can get the idea. What I'm also using is the OneNote desktop application. This does work perfectly well within the normal OneNote app that were in the other two videos. The reason I'm using the OneNote desktop application is because there's a language issue with my computer whereby for some reason it's not allowing me to convert my handwriting into text. So let's go ahead and check this out. So we've got a new page and we'll call this handwriting, and we'll go on. So I need to go and change my input to be a pen, and you can see my cursor has changed. So I'm gonna write in hello. Now, very simple, very ugly, I know. It's a lot better if you do have a pen. So now what we can do is we can hit the escape key and we should be able to go and select our area. When we do that, we can right click on it and we can say ink to text. When we do that, it's going to transcribe what we've written from ink into text. This works really well most of the time. Sometimes if it can't make sense of what you had in your text, like bullet points or certain letters, it will just try figure it out. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work too well, so you may need to go in there and resolve that. But most of the time, it should work fine for you without a problem. This would save a heck of a lot of time typing things out, and of course, as we know, writing things tend to stick in the mind a bit longer. What we can also do within OneNote is share your notebook or a page with another person. So let's go and look at this page as well as this section. I want to share the Anvil page with Jordan. So we need to go and select it. And on the far top right hand corner, we've got a share button. When we select that, it's going to take a few seconds and you can then type in someone's name to go and join in the notebook. We can go and select Jordan, it will go pull his name up, and then we can go and say send. He'll get an email with a link of which he can go and jump into this notebook and we can collaborate in real time. We can also copy the link and send it to him if we want to do it via Teams, or if we want to do it and send it in an email, or we can actually just send him a copy of the page. So what the page is looking like currently, it's going to send it to him in an email that he can go and view. He won't be able to make any changes to it or edits to it, but he'll be able to view what was inside there. Once Jordan has access, he's able to jump in with the document and we can work on this notebook together at the same time. Happy collaborating. Cheers, guys.